I'm going to weigh the car tomorrow evening. So I'm gonna prepare the car. So I had to put on as much like stuff as possible so the weighing will get done properly. Like I have to put on, of course, wheels and brakes. I'm just gonna find everything so it's ready for tomorrow. And yeah, I think that's gonna be, that's the plan for today.
Damn. Henger jo jævlig bra. He's nice. So now it's ready for tomorrow.
So yeah, just weighed the car. I forgot, like so. Okay, so we just weighed the whole car, and I forgot to film this, but the weight of the car is, hold on, 929 kilos. This is with, we had to put some weight in the back for the fuel cell is empty, so we put the fuel cell is about 40 liters or 38 liters, so we put about half of the weight, half like 20 kilos on a fuel cell. And we also put the fenders on the car, the front fenders. We put a tire on the engine because I don't know how much oil it's in the engine, and it has no coolant and probably something else I forgot. So we put some weight on the car, and yeah, 929 kilos, and I think that's not too bad for this car. As I've said many times before, if you have watched any of my other videos, this car is gonna get a roll cage, but it's gonna be maybe next season.